As you'll see, there are not many options out there when it comes to switched Edison screw lamp holders. In this video, you will know all about using our pull chain version, as well as seeing other switched ES lamp holders we have in stock. Hello, I'm Laurie Smith, and in this video I want to demonstrate this pull chain lamp holder. I'll say now, personally I'm not a fan of these, and I'd rather go with a BC push bar or simply have an inline switch fitted to the cord. But some people love this American style functionality on an ES lamp holder. Being rare, they are expensive, but if this style really is important to you, go ahead, watch this video where I'll demonstrate how it is used to ensure you can hit the ground running with your project when you receive it. So this is the lamp holder, how it arrives with you. The chain is separate. You simply unscrew the skirt, remove the skirt, put it to one side, and slide out the porcelain insert with the switching mechanism, and there's the base. So with the lamp holder disassembled, we now take the cable. Now for this lamp holder, you need to strip the live, neutral and earth wires back 30mm and then strip the copper back by 5mm. I've done this already and tinned the ends, so we're ready to go. One point to mention about this lamp holder is that being metal, it must have an earth. So we start off by feeding the flex through the base. Now on this lamp holder, the first thing to do is connect the earth, because that's the most inaccessible. I always use a pair of needle nose pliers here, and I grip the earth wire and slide it into the earth terminal, which is situated on the side, and I take my slotted screwdriver and just tighten it down. Now with that in place, you press the wire up to give you maximum space with your terminals. Now we take the porcelain insert, and I'm going to fit the neutral wire, and that's the one on its own. The neutral wire attaches to this side pin of the lamp holder. So we feed that in, tighten down with our slotted screwdriver. So we take the brown wire and we poke it into the switch. Now we need to feed the string out through the pull cord holder and pull it out. And now we align the porcelain lamp holder with the indentations, and it will sit firmly, and there's no way it can rotate. See, it's lined up with the indentations in the porcelain. Right, next I take the skirt and I reverse thread it slightly, because you want to make sure it lines up with the thread. And there you can see now it's gripping nicely, and I tighten down until I hear that metallic click that tells me that the locking mechanism is in place. Then we take the pull chain, and it's a simple pull chain arrangement you're familiar with on your bathroom products. Slide the knot in there, and then I use my pliers just to apply pressure on the chain to close it up over the string. And there you have your pull chain lamp holder ready to operate. As mentioned, the ES pull chain lamp holder isn't my favourite, but it is one of the very few options of a switched Edison screw lamp holder. We have the plastic switch lamp holder, but the switch is very close to the base of the lamp holder, available in black and gold. These lamp holders can be used if you only have a 2-port flex. We have the plastic switched lamp holder, a bayonet cap, but really if it was me, myself, and I was wanting to switch a lamp, I would fit an inline switch, just because it keeps your hand away from the light fitting. If you've decided the fitting is for you, you can purchase it here or from one of our distributors. If not, you can view our other similar switch lamp holders. Please do get in touch with us if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.